Yes.
Is it visible?
Yes. Nice.
Okay. So once again I am revising this, okay? This is what? Yeah, short vowel sound is E. If I add the id, but if I add letter E, end of the word, it is the I become in the letter vowel I adds long sound. So it is I. Instead of it becomes I. What is this? Il. But if I add E here, it becomes I'll. I. So next is, what is this? Correct. If I add E here, what is the sound? Long sound of this? Yeah. So I'm. What is this? Ik. But if I add E here, I. What is this? In. But if I add E here, it becomes long sound. Long sound, what is the long sound? Yeah. Ein. Okay. So with the help of this, we'll make word. Okay. So right. So should listen na. So yeah, मी सांगेन तेव्हा. Right. When I tell you to write, that time you have to write. Okay. Just focus here. मी जेव्हा सांगेन तेव्हा लिहायचंय. सगळं लिहायचंय. Everything you have to write. Wait. You just focus. Don't focus on writing. Just write down. Focus on here. First concept clear करा. Then you write. मी जेव्हा सांगेन तेव्हा. Keep your pencil aside. Sushrut, all of you, keep your pen aside. Okay, just focus here. Right. Okay. Tell me this. What is the sound? T. And what is this? Tight. Correct. Tight. Now what is this? Tell me. What is this sound? Yeah. And what is this? Ein. Correct. Line. Okay. Now one more. What is this? I'm writing over here, okay? So, I'm time. You know time?
Yes.
Okay. Then, what is this? Tell me. Correct. 9. Okay. So everyone write down this. Yeah, write down this.